Welcome to my channel where I try out many different side hustles, and in this series we're building an apparel brand from A to Z, and in this episode we're covering how to create content for your clothing brand using AI. I'm going to show you exactly how I create social media content with very little effort and actually get thousands of views. Let's dive right in. So the biggest challenges in building a brand is getting exposure, because without exposure you won't make any sales. And one of the best ways to get exposure is putting your brand out there in front of as many people as possible. But for that to happen, you need a lot of content. Traditionally, that means hiring models, booking photo and video shoots in studios or out on the streets, and that gets expensive really fast. But let me show you how I've been creating content using AI that's gotten thousands of views on Instagram simply by consistently uploading images of my apparel. In a previous video, I show you how you can easily make professional designs using Kittl. With those designs and mock-ups, I then use AI to generate images for social media. When you create a prompt for that, it's really important to think about the audience you want to attract and how you can connect with them on an emotional level. For my surf and skate brand, I want to connect with people who are actually living that lifestyle. By showing pictures of people skating, biking or surfing while wearing my apparel, they can see themselves in the brand and are more likely to interact with it. So for example, my prompt includes phrases like guy riding a bike, guy waxing a surfboard, guy on a skateboard. For the apparel itself, I'll include details like oversized heavy cotton t-shirt to make sure the AI generates the right look and feel. I tested a bunch of different AI models, ChatGPT, 𝐬𝐮𝐫𝐞, Qwen 3.0, Gemini Nano Banana and a few others. But the one that gave me the most consistent result was Gemini 2.5 Flash. It's quick and I haven't run into any limitations like I did with ChatGPT. Sometimes you'll need to iterate a few times or restart with a new chat, but it usually takes less than 10 minutes to get a solid image. Now let's look at the analytics to see how these AI generated images performed. The very first picture I posted got over 2,000 views in just 2 weeks. Every picture after I posted since then has reached similar numbers. Another important metric is engagement. For example, the best performing images so far was an old VW van with a sticker of my brand on it. Vans like that are iconic in the surf culture, so it triggers a positive emotional response. That post got the most likes. To my surprise, even a simple mock-up image I posted later pulled in 27 likes. Another strong performer was a campfire image with 19 likes. This tells me something: content that triggers an emotional response performs really well. That's the real reason I create these kind of images, to let the audience emotionally connect with my brand. Once they've seen the post enough times, at some point they'll want to be part of it. And that's when they will be ready to order from my shop once it launches. Here's a key takeaway. You want to build a loyal following before you invest too much money and effort into other parts of your brand. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how I grow my Instagram using the content I create with AI. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to follow along as I share every step of building my brand. See you in the next one. Bye bye.